UnaliWear's Kanega Watch is the first all-in-one, voice-controlled medical device designed to keep you independent, active, and safe. You never need to take your watch off your wrist to change your batteries, so that the Kanega Watch keeps working for you 24/7. This video will show you some hints on using the battery charger for the Kanega Watch. Your Kanega battery charger has 3 ports for charging your batteries. We recommend that you keep 2 batteries on your Kanega Watch and 2 batteries on the charger. That way, you will always have charged batteries ready when needed. The Kanega battery charger has 2 jacks for the power cable, one on each end. To power your Kanega battery charger, connect the power cable to one end. Then connect the power cable to a wall outlet. The light at the charger base will turn blue, then it will stay green, indicating that the Kanega battery charger is powered on. To insert a battery, place the end with the gold prongs first into the metal connectors in the charger port, and then press the other end of the battery gently downwards until you feel it attach into place. The light below the battery will fade red or breathe when the battery is charging properly. Fully charging a battery may take up to 4 hours. The light turns solid green once the battery is fully charged. After the batteries are fully charged, leave them in the battery charger until it's time to change the batteries on your Kanega Watch. To remove a battery from the charger, push the battery towards the end with the gold prongs and then pull it away from the charger. To keep your Kanega Watch working for you 24/7, we recommend that you change your batteries daily. When it's time to change your batteries, remove a battery from your Kanega Watch and place it in the empty port on the charger. Then remove a charged battery to place on the Kanega Watch. Repeat for the second battery, and you're done. That's how easy it is to keep your watch batteries charged and ready to go, so that your Kanega Watch keeps working for you 24/7.